Atma Namaste. This is Shruti Sonegra for Prana Healing Chembur. So today we will learn 4 mindful ways to remain calm when others are angry. So when someone upsets us, it's often because they are not behaving according to our fantasy of how they should behave. The frustration then stems not from their behavior but from how their behavior differs from our expectations. So, this is a moment for looking within. You can't control how other people behave. You can control everything that happens to you. Can you? No, it's not possible. What you can control is how you respond to it all. Your power lies in your response. Let's practice it together. So, the first one is getting comfortable with pausing, that is self pause. Don't imagine the worst when you encounter a little drama. When someone is acting irrationally, don't join them by rushing to make a negative judgment call. Instead, pause. Take a deep breath. Give yourself and the other person a little extra time and space. Often, this is all we need. Second one is be compassionate. The word compassion means to suffer with. When you can put yourself in other person's shoes, you give them the space to regroup without putting any extra pressure on them. Remember, we never know what's really going on in someone's life. When you interact with others in stressful environments, set an intention to be supportive by leaving the expectations, judgments, and demands at the door. The third one, extend generosity and grace. Everyone gets upset and loses their temper sometimes. Remind yourself that we are all more alike than we are different. So when you catch yourself passing judgment, add just like me sometimes. Okay? Add just like me sometimes to the end of a sentence. For example, that person is grouchy, just like me sometimes. She is being rude, just like me sometimes. Choose to let things go. Let others off the hook. Take the high road today. The fourth one, talk less and learn to appreciate silence. Don't say things you will regret 5 minutes later for the sake of fighting back. Inhale, exhale. A moment of silence can save you from 100 moments of regret. Truth be told, you are often most powerful and influential in an argument, right? When you are most silent. So, these are 4 mindful ways which will always keep you calm when you feel someone is so angry and showering their negativity on you. So, in this case, you need to be calm this way, as said. I hope this will make little difference in your life. Thank you so much.